Jack pushed Tom. That was so mean.
I saw it too. Why did you do that?
It's okay. I'm not really hurt.
Wait, please. Let me explain.
You grabbed his arm and pulled him back.
That's not nice, Jack. Say sorry to Tom. I didn't mean to be mean.
Maybe Jack doesn't like me.
No, Tom. That's not true at all.
Welcome to Daily English Flow.
What is going on here?
Jack pushed Tom for no reason.
Is that true, Jack?
No, teacher. I can explain everything.
Okay, come with me, Jack.
Jack follows the teacher into the hallway. His classmates whisper and stare at him.
Now tell me what really happened.
There was wet paint on Tom's chair.
Wet paint? From art class?
Yes, bright red paint, still wet.
I saw it just as Tom sat down.
So you pulled him away fast?
Yes, I only had 1 second.
Why didn't you tell everyone that?
I tried, but no one listened. They started shouting before I could speak.
That must have felt really unfair.
It did. Nobody believes me now.
I believe you, Jack. Let's prove it.
How can we prove it?
The chair still has paint on it, right?
Yes, come and look.
Let's go back to the classroom.
They walk back together, quickly.
Everyone, look at this chair.
Whoa! There's red paint on it.
It's still wet and shiny.
Jack saw this paint before Tom sat down. He pulled Tom away to protect him.
Really? You saved my clothes?
Yes. I didn't want you to sit in it.
Oh no, we got it all wrong.
We're so sorry, Jack.
It's okay. You didn't know.
Thank you for helping me, Jack.
You're welcome, Tom. I'm glad you're okay.
I feel bad for shouting at you.
It's fine, Leo. Really.
Can we all be friends now?
I would really like that.
Me too.
I'm proud of you, Jack. You helped a friend, even when it was hard.
I just didn't want him to get hurt.
That's a very kind heart, Jack.
Next time, I will ask before I judge.
Me too. Sorry again, Tom and Jack.
It's all okay now.
Do you want to sit with us at lunch, Tom?
Yes, I would love that.
Now let's clean this chair carefully.
I'll get some paper towels.
I'll help too.
The class works together to clean the mess. Thank you again, Jack.
Anytime, Tom. That's what friends do.
This is a good lesson for everyone. Don't judge fast. Ask questions first.
I will remember that.
The school day ends, and Jack walks home with a smile. At home, Jack tells Eva about his day.
Wow, Jack, that sounds like a big day.
Everyone thought I was mean, Eva.
But you were actually protecting Tom.
Yes, I just didn't have time to explain.
Sometimes doing the right thing looks strange at first.
I felt so bad when they were angry.
That must have been hard for you.
It was, but Tom said thank you.
That's wonderful, Jack. I'm proud of you.
Jack, are you a hero now? Maybe a little bit, Mia. You saved Tom from paint! That's brave! I just wanted to help my friend.
Mom comes and joins them on the couch.
Jack, I heard what happened at school.
I helped Tom, Mom, but everyone was mad first.
You did the right thing, even when it was hard.
Thank you, Mom.
Kind actions don't always look kind right away.
I understand that now.
Say it with me. Kindness can be brave.
Kindness can be brave. Kindness can be brave.
That's right, both of you.
Tom and I are friends now.
That's the best part of the story.
Tomorrow, he's sitting with us at lunch.
Can I meet Tom too? I want to play with him. Of course, Mia. I'll invite Tom over tomorrow. Maybe some other friends too. The more, the better.
I'm glad this all worked out.
Me too. I learned something important today.
What did you learn, Jack?
Don't judge someone before you know the truth.
And Jack smiles, happy to have a new friend. Remember, don't judge fast. Ask before you blame someone.
If you liked this story, subscribe for more.